Hi, I'm JD, and what we're going to be doing today is a word problem. It might be a little hard to read, so I'm going to read it to you and then pause it, and then you can try it on your own. So, a student in statistics class got a 65 on a test that had a mean of 60 with a standard deviation of 5. Another student in a different class got an 80% on the same chapter test that had a mean of 72 and standard deviation of 12. Positionally, which student did better? So pause the video and see if you can try this one on your own. Alright, when it talks about position, that kind of gives you a hint on what the problem is dealing with. It's dealing with measures of position. The measure of position would be z-scores or a standardized score. If I can standardize both of these scores, then I can compare the two, and whichever is larger, that student did better, relatively speaking, in relation to each class that the student's in. So to calculate a z-score, it's the score minus the mean over standard deviation. So the first one got a score of 65. The mean is 60. And the standard deviation is 5. That would be 65 minus 60 is 5. 5 over 5 gives me a z-score of 1. Now I compare the other score. Again, I'm going to use the z-score. So it's 80 minus the mean over the standard deviation. So I calculate this. 80 minus 72 is 8. That's 8 over 12, which is, let's see, this is divisible 2/3, which is approximately 0.66. So if I was to compare the two students using the standardized score, relatively speaking, this student did better. So the first student did better. And that's it.